This is our 5 vowels. We have a, e, o, e. Again, a, e, o, e. Now, the short vowels with their symbols. Okay, the upper portion, okay? They are a, e, o, e. Again, a, e, o, e. They are the short vowels with their symbols. Now, as a short vowel E, this one is the short vowel E. Let's say E, E, with a hard smile. E, E. E found in the word inchworm. It is the beginning letter of the word inchworm. Inchworm. This is an inchworm. Next, we have here the word ink. Ink. E is the beginning letter on the word ink. Ink. This is an ink. E found also in the medial of the CVC word lip. 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 Another CVC we have here, CVCC we have here knit. 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 E also, again, is found in the medial word of the word wig. 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 And the last one, we have here the word pit. Pit. This is a pit.